Madras is written as NBEBESBT. How will you write Bombay? Type the answers in the chat box. Only I can see the answers. Very good, Apurva. Oh, very good, Shaurya. Sorry, Shaurya. Very good. First Shaurya, second Noel. Tanmay बिल्कुल wrong है. First Shaurya, second Noel. Shaurya first. Noel second. Noel second. Then third is Pratyush, I think so. एक मिनट, प्रत्युष से ऊपर और कोई तो नहीं है. तन्मय का तो wrong है. Pratyush, yes. Next is Pratyush and next Anshuman. Pratyush third and fourth is Anshuman. Anshuman. Then fifth is Apurva. Apurva is fifth. Going to explain. Yes, Shaurya.
And because after M come N.
Very good. After M comes N. Very good. Then
after A come B.
Yes.
After D come E. After R come S.
Yes.
After A come B. And after S come T.
Okay, very good. Just give me a minute. Very good. E is correct. One after the other. M के बाद N, A के बाद B, D के बाद E, R के बाद S, A के बाद B, S के बाद C. So most of you done it correctly. You have written B के बाद C, O के बाद P, M के बाद N, B के बाद C, A के बाद B, and Y के बाद Z. So CPN, CPZ, ZBZ is the correct answer. Okay. Now, another type of question I'm giving you. It is another type, okay? Another type of code. If cat is written as 378. Okay, if cat is written as 378 and card is written as not card. How will you write R E do that? CAR is written as 372. How will you write rat? Now you can do it. Explain us. Please explain the answer as you answered first. Noel.
Yes, ma'am.
Explain the answer.
Ma'am, in cat, the 80 numbers are 7, 8. That's why I had written 7, 8 at 80 in rat. And in car, R was 2. That's why I took the 2 and put it in R.
Very good. Understood, everyone? Those who have written wrong. Understood? 1878 लिखा है, पता नहीं how they have written 1878. Okay? Okay, now let me give you the next question. If code is written as BPUTIF and margin is written as MAR. Excuse me. Margin is written as X, Y, L, M, O, excuse me, G. X, Y, L, L, O, G, yes. How will you write molding? M, O, U, L, D, I, N, G. Yeah. Do it. Let me see my answer. What will be the final answer? See here. It is good and margin. If you can see this word molding, it contains good का ULD. Okay. और इधर से आपको margin का M और ING you can get from here. Okay. So how will you do it? देखो. M is here because it is quite tough, so I'm explaining it myself. It is not tough. Most of you answered it correctly. I'm not doing OP, Q, T ऐसे करके नहीं है. If you can see B could का you can take. अगर आप करने भी बैठे हो T का U, I, J, K, L, D, E, F. Okay, it's coming like nothing. We are not forming any pattern over here. M के बाद X आ गया, A के I के लिए Y आ गया. I don't know how come. ठीक है, but I need O U L D. So where I can get it O U L D? Could say I can get O U L D from here. Okay, O U L D का होगा P T I F. So what I did O U L D का I have written P T I F. Okay. Now I need M. M I can take it from here. X. Okay, now I need ING. ING से पहले if I need IN, IN का है OG. IN का code है OG. So I have written the code of IN here as OG. और G का code है N. So G का code आ जाएगा आपका N. Understood everyone? Any issue anyone?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Most of you answered it correct, but some of you not correct answered correctly. So this is the way. Two words are given to you. Just try to match whether how can I get this word? How can I get this word from here? No need to solve it again. Okay, now next question. If computer is written as MPOCERUT, how will you write elephant? Beta no, wrong है Shreyansh. It's wrong.
Ma'am, in this one, when there is letter for L.
There is?
Ma'am, in elephant there is no letter of L.
No letter of L means?
In computer there is no L.
बेटा वैसा नहीं है. There is different code. Okay, I got the correct answers. Okay. First correct. Dev गलत है ये answer. Shreyansh, it is wrong. Okay. बेटा लक्ष्य थोड़ा सा wrong है. थोड़ा सा wrong है. Beta, wait. I have done a mistake here. It's CU. Up karo. Okay. Now do it. I think according to that, Laksha answer was correct. Lakshay का ठीक था उसके according. Anapurva and Shaurya का भी. That according to that code. According to that code, Lakshay का भी ठीक था और उसका भी ठीक था. Shaurya and Apurva का. Now tell me. Yes, very good. Noel, I think according to the previous one. No, Shreyansh wrong. Noel, yes, correct. Correct.
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
now see. See here, computer is written as, see, if you see computer, it is a 8-letter word. CO is coming here. MP is coming here. So that means we have divided this letter into 2 equal parts like this. Okay. MP is coming here and CO is coming there. Here UT is coming here and ER is coming here. If you recognize this, तो हमें यही करना है इसमें भी. We divide it into two equal parts. EP will come first, and this EL will come in the second place. Okay, SA, HA will come at the last, and NT will come here. So this is the code EPL NTHA. This will be the code. Okay. Well, in a certain language, gamble is written as FBLCKF. In a certain language, gamble is written as this. Then how will you write flower? FLOWER. How will you write flower? Quick. If I'll not do in this period, if you are not able to tell, if I'll not be able to tell in this period, I will tell you in the next period. Okay, remind me in the next period. A also and C also separately in their own classes.
Ma'am, I have sent.
No, wrong, Apurva. Okay, it's correct. I think so. No, wrong. Apurva, wrong.
Ma'am, please check.
I am checking one by one. Just beta, give me some time.
Ma'am,
Rasool,
I am
wrong.
not sending the
Lakshya,
answer.
Wrong. Jayesh, wrong. Okay, Shaurya sent the answer. Shaurya, wrong.